Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I want to show you how to do fresh installations on your laptop or on your PC. You can either have a Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your system. So let's get started. So today I'm gonna show you how to install and configure new Windows 10 or 11 on your PC. So sometimes when you turn your laptop or PC on, you will see kind of these things. So it says reboot and select proper boot device, or insert boot media in selected boot device and press a key. So if you remember yesterday, we made one bootable disk to install the fresh Windows 10 for one of my customer. So I'm gonna just do it now. I'm gonna just show you a few another things. Right, so let's just connect my USB bootable disk to the device and reset the system. Okay, so I just press power button and then it will ask me to use the USB. But before do that, we have to go to the BIOS and change the settings, because sometimes the system doesn't read it. So I've already done that, and I'm gonna just show you now. Okay, let's just restart it. So let's just turn on the computer now. Okay, as soon as you turn your computer on, you need to find out what key on your keyboard take you to the BIOS. Okay, because we have to set the USB stick, which we made it yesterday, as a first boot option on your laptop or PC. So when we, on my case, because I got the MSI, on MSI motherboard, when you turn the computer or laptop on, you need to keep pressing delete button, and then that will take us to BIOS page. And what's your BIOS key? To find out what's your BIOS key, you need to go and Google it. So if, for example, because I have the MSI motherboard, so my MSI motherboard's BIOS key is delete. Your might be different. Sometimes it's F2, sometimes it's escape, sometimes it's F6 for the Dell motherboards. And yeah, you need to just Google it, and then you can find it just easily on the Google. So it will tell you what's exactly the BIOS keys on your laptop or PC. Right, so that was the second, that was the first one actually. And the second step would be just connect your USB stick to one of the USB port on your laptop or PC. And then as you can see here on the boot priority, I use the that bootable USB as a first boot priority. So your menu might be different with this one. So by what you need to do, you need to go and find the boot priority on your BIOS menu. Okay, and then you can just change it to the USB, as you can see here. All right, so mine is already set on this one, so I'm just close this one and then just yes. When you restart your PC, it will read your USB. Obviously you need to connect it to your device. So for example, if you have like a laptop or computer which doesn't come up, and then you might need to do like a fresh installations, but you need your files, you need your old files, there is a way to retrieve your data And on my next video, I think I'm gonna show you how to retrieve your data on the faulty Windows 10 or 11. As you can see now, yes, we have this menu, and we just click on next, and we just click on new installations. As you can see, the bootable USB which we made it yesterday is working perfectly, so we can just do the new installation Windows Windows installation for ourselves without paying a penny to the computer man. So here we just click on install now. Okay, in that section just says I don't have a product key now, because you can just activate it by the digital license. Okay, just check, and we have all of these options here. Okay, so just choosing the Windows 10 Pro, and then we click next. We accept terms and conditions, click next. On these sections, so we have two options. We can upgrade, or actually we can correct our faulty Windows by choosing this option, or we can have a fresh installations, which I recommend you to have in always fresh installations. Okay, I press on advanced. So here it shows me the hard drive, okay, which I'm gonna use it for a new installations. I'm gonna just use this hard drive and then make a new partition. Okay, right, so I'm gonna just use this hard drive for the new installations. Okay, I press next, and there you go, and Windows is starting to loading, and it does the job. Right, just we need to wait for a few seconds, actually it's like a few minutes honestly, and it will expand that image into our hard drive. And I'm gonna just pause the video now, and I'll be back shortly. Thank you. Right, so just I have to tell you one thing. So after re-imaging the hard drive, you will see it asks you to restart your computer manually or automatically. We will see that sections in a second. So in that time, after the first restart, which is very important, after the first restart, you need to remove that USB stick from your computer or laptop. Otherwise, we go to the loop, and I just gonna do that every time. So we need to definitely remove that USB stick from our device, laptop or PC. This is very, very important when you're doing the re-image for fresh Windows installations on your PC. So remember that. I will show you in a second. Let's just finish this one. It's 94%, not that long left. So you will see that. Just bear with us. Yeah, it's here. I was talking about this one. So when you press the restart now, you need to remove your USB stick. Restart now. And I removed it. So after the first reset, actually you will see the page like that. So it's loading the Windows file. As you can see, it's getting the starting service ready. So we need to wait just for a few seconds to does the job. After this step, there is a very important step you need to follow. Either you're gonna install Windows 10 or Windows 11. You should follow this step if you installing these Windows for the customer. You need to follow these steps. So I will show you in a sec. Let's just finish this one first. Okay. So this is the second reset. and I think after the second reset we should be fine. There you go, we got the fresh windows. Right, so in these sections you need to choose I don't have an internet, otherwise it will ask you to enter your email address, confirm it or stuff like that. So just don't forget, just choose I don't have an internet and just continue with limited setup, and then we can have a local account. For example, I just do it like tech. I don't need a password, I click next. There you go. Just press not now. And yes, we're done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to ask your questions on the comment sections, and do not forget to subscribe my video for another video which is about how to take your data from the dead hard drive. Alright? Thank you for watching me. There you go. That's a new Windows. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this video, please write it in a comment for me. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate, please ask, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching me.